Good morning everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. For some of you it might not be in the morning, so good evening or good afternoon even. Hope you had a good day and I hope you continue to have a rest of the good week as well, saying that we've only got one day left, haven't we? Just whatever you're doing, stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy, okay? And obviously stay tuned to the channel, you know, because we're trying to educate people here and we're only telling people the truth. We're not giving you no spiel or bullshit about exuberant price predictions, although we do have one up there, but that is based off technical analysis, okay? We always back up our price predictions with technical analysis here. This is what we do, okay? We don't give you exuberant price predictions that Cardano is going to $20 without some kind of technical analysis to back it up, okay? And this is what we do. So do stay tuned, do get involved in the community here, do check out our other videos as well, because there are a lot of quality videos in there. Please do check out the reef video that I've posted today, okay? It's really important if you're into your cryptos, and you may have had a lot of fun around reef, but do just please check out that video that I've made on reef today, because you are potentially looking at a fantastic trade opportunity there for reef. Okay, so yeah, enough chatting on about other projects. Let's dive into Cardano. So with Cardano, as you know, I'm super bullish. There's nothing changed on Cardano, absolutely nothing changed whatsoever. All we're doing, you can see we're adhering to this late adopter trading line here. It's called the late adopter trading line, bless him, good guy. Do check his channel out there, he's doing really well. And I've got a lot of expertise off him, because that's what we do as YouTubers. We watch other YouTubers and we learn, and that's how I learned in the first place, is watching YouTube channels just like you're watching this one and you're learning, hopefully. We do get good comments on the channel saying that we do help people and teach people, and that's what it's all about. And obviously people making money as well, and equally that's as good as well, you know. But we do just want to educate people and give them a level of sort of security within this crypto space, because we know how volatile it is, and we know how people can, you know, you got your moon boys that just say that this is going to this just so they can get the views, and then they leave you stranded when it's going down or correcting, and they won't give you any more information, they won't give you a level of support. And this is what we do in this channel, okay? This is why we show you these breakdown targets and these potential upside. So just to summarize, really, there's not really a great deal I can go on about Cardano today. It's just really bullish. It's still very bullish, and you're in this channel, okay? And what you want to see now really is a march on, and I do believe that is coming. I think April, given the way we've gone into April, okay, we are looking relatively strong. You've got various projects that seem to have bottomed out, okay? Not financial advice. They seem to have bottomed out against Bitcoin as well. We will delve deeper into that in a different video, but I don't want to take up too much of your time here because I'm rambling on. You've come here for a Cardano update, but you know, if Cardano's doing well, everything's doing well basically, and Cardano is doing really well. We've got the bullish cross. We're coming up with back testing its support. You're painting these beautiful patterns for continuation, and what you need to see now, you do need to see it, is Cardano have a leap of faith, okay, and just take that leg up and start making these sort of patterns, pushing up towards this level of resistance, so you can see yourself break out, and you can see us making that target up there of $2.08, because that is our target out of this ascending triangle. Okay, this is a very bullish continuation pattern, and until we break out of it, this pattern is in play. And I always say that to people in this channel. The pattern is valid until invalid, and the only way that this pattern here, okay, this ascending triangle can become invalidated, okay, is if we break out of it. And that would be something like this, where we lose this level of support, okay, which you hug into, you creep into the late adopter level of support, and then you have your level of resistance there. So we do need to see ourselves come up and start hitting ahead on this as resistance, and testing it at least. So you do need to see that pump for Cardano, and relatively soon, because at the minute, I know it looks flat, I know it looks boring, okay, and crypto can be like that, okay. I did see a comment that made me laugh in the Telegram group there. You know, why use USDT when you can just buy Cardano stable coin? I thought that was quite funny. It is quite funny, because to some it looks boring, and it is sort of just going sideways, and it is just like not really doing much, but it is progressively creeping upwards, to be honest with you, because it's making higher lows, okay, and it's hard to see sometimes. It is hard to see, but you know, when you zoom out and you look at the 4 hourly, look at that, it's just making higher lows and it's closing above this support line, which is what you want to see. You don't want to see it breaking down like this, okay, and closing below this support line, because then you're going to get caught in a downtrend, and then potentially you're going to start forming this bearish cross on the 4 hour EMA. Okay, what you do need to see, and what looks like you've actually got here, and we do always talk about this in this channel, okay, is this repel. And I did say yesterday, you do want to see that. You've got this coming together of the EMAs here, okay? So when you get this bullish cross like that, that's great. It's a signal that you've moved on, you're marching up, and you're going to start making these high lows. And you can see we're going up here, and then Bitcoin had that correction. And then obviously you're getting brought back up because the buying power and the bulls are in control, because they've been in control since there, to be fair. And all you've done is come down and test the levels of support. So what you get this coming together of the EMAs. And if you look closely now, okay, look at this EMA, look at it. You're getting a curl on it. It's at the retest, the repel there of the coming together, okay, because this retest is actually more powerful than that, okay, and I'll show you in a minute. So when this goes up, you get a kind of confirmation, okay. This is, you're boarding the rocket ship just there. You've just got on it, and it's starting to take off, and it's refueling, you know, and then whew, you get that slingshot off the EMA retest, and you see that projection upwards. So that's really good, and you're getting a curl in the EMA. See that on the 4 hourly time frame, you're getting that curl there, okay. What you need to see, this 4 hourly candle, you need to see it close above this 20, okay, because at the moment you've been closing and sort of caught between these EMAs, all right, but you're coming into this support line here, and it is acting as a level of support and pushing you up. So this is good, this is healthy. Potentially you could see Cardano rocket up here and push on. Basically, I'll show you an EMA retest here on the 4 hourly time frame, where you get that EMA retest. So effectively, this is the reverse of one. So you got the bearish cross, okay, so you've gone bearish, you're going down, you're correcting, and then when you get the EMA retest, it propels it down. You see that propel, so push it down. What I'll do, reverse this chart and you can see it better. So effectively what you've got there, okay, is where you've gone up, you've created a bullish cross just there. You've gone up, you create that bullish cross, you've got the rocket ship, and then you've come down and you've had the EMA retest where it comes together and it sort of projects it, and look, and it makes it push on and make the higher high. So that's a really good thing to see, and that's effectively what you're seeing right now for Cardano, is this retest here and pushing on. Okay, so it's all good, it's all good. We'll just have a quick look on the daily time frame for Cardano right now. So again, like, look where the yellow line is right now, the 20 EMA, it's right up there beautifully. You're bouncing, you're closing above it every day, and it's all good, it's all good. I can't tell you how good it is, but you do need to see that push up now, that push up, and go closer and take out some of this resistance up here of these Fibonacci levels, because dropping the fib on there again, okay, would go from the top to the bottom. And you can see that you are coming up and you are hitting your head on this 050. And I did say to you that is a high level of traffic just there. That is a really high level of resistance. You can see you've hit it multiple times there. You do need to see Cardano march on, take out that level, okay, and then push on to the golden ratio, which is that level there, the 0.618. Because like I said to you, when you get through that with substance and with volume, it's a big break to the upside. Another thing here, look at this volume, okay, look at this tailing off volume. It's almost like saying, hey, a breakout's coming soon, because look at this volume, it's depleting. That's always an indicator of a big move, okay. Tailing off volume. When you get tailing off volume like that, you start to see the impression and the start of a big move. You're bullish, okay, you're tailing off volume. All the indicators look well. You're above the 20. You're above the EMAs. You've got that repel that we're talking about in the 4 hourly time frame. This depleting volume could be a signal that you are looking at a potential pump for Cardano, a very similar one like this. Because again, you know, I'm going to be completely honest with you in this channel. I'm never going to lie to you. I'm never going to feed you some bullshit or drip feed you. You're forming a very beautiful pattern there on the daily time frame, right there in front of my eyes. Okay, that's called a bull pennant. This right here is called a bull pennant, and this is the daily time frame, okay. So look, as I see it, I always tell it, and you've got this sort of, well, it looks like a flag, doesn't it, but it's actually called a bull pennant, where you go up and you're hitting resistance, you're coming down, you're getting tighter and tighter, and you're hitting a level of support, and you're getting tighter and tighter, blah blah blah, and you're doing all that, and then you effectively get the breakout, okay. And look, the breakout looks imminent because you've got the depleting volume. Always a sign, okay. The MACD, the RSI is in the middle there. You see that, a beautiful level to be on the MACD, on the RSI. I do apologise. The MACD, let's take a look at that. Look at that MACD. Look at that MACD. Oh my God, you're in for a good move here on Cardano. It's geared up. I've not got a crystal ball. I don't see into the future, but the charts do not lie. The charts tell me a story. Okay, the histogram is literally turning from bearish to bullish just there. You're almost forming a bullish cross where the blue line goes above the orange line. Look at that. You're starting to get that little coming together, that test. Critical times. Today or tomorrow, you're looking at a breakout for Cardano. Given the structure of that bull pennant right there, you are looking at a whopping pump like that for Cardano, which again will take you up to that level there, that $1.36. And you would see it quite quickly as well, to be fair, because the power's going to come in, the push, the repel off the 4-hour EMA, okay, get through this 0.5, smash through that 0.5, you get through that, you're off to the races, because it's effectively clear skies. You will have a bit of resistance around the golden ratio, the 0.618 there at $1.29. So you do need to see yourself push on through $1.23 for Cardano today or tomorrow for confirmation of this breakout, which looks imminent. Failing that, again, always have your levels of support in there, but we are in a bull market, we are in a super uptrend, and we look like we're marching on. So I hope you enjoyed that update today on Cardano. Do stay tuned to the channel, okay? Do stay tuned to the channel, get involved in the community there, and I will keep you updated on Cardano every single day. Please do share the videos on Cardano and share, take a look at the reef video that we've done this morning, okay? And obviously look at the other videos. Welcome to CoinsKid. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.